आता आमकां जाय एज एन एक्टिविस्ट that Captain Viriato cannot let us down. There could be two situations. One, you could be in the ruling at the center, or you could be in the opposition. But whether you are in the ruling or opposition, we want you to get our small and little issues concerning Goa with respect to water, land, air, corruption, all हे इश्यूचेर आमकां जाय तुवें एक आवाज उबारलेलो आनी तुजो आवाज आख्ख्या पार्लमेंटान रिसावंड जावपाक जाय.
एंथनी बाब, कॉंग्रॅच्युलेशन तुमकां, कित्याक तुमी एक व्हडलो सपोर्टर आसले कॅप्टन विरेटोचो आनी आतां तो जिखोन येयला एन एज एन एक्टिविस्ट आतां तुमचो कितें आसा तेजो एक्सपेक्टेशन तेंकाणे?
पळय नरेश बाब, पयले सुवातेर देव बरें करूं तुगे तुजे चॅनलाक, कित्याक हो तुजे चॅनलांतल्यान आमचो आवाज विराटोकूय पावतलो. आमी म्हूण तूं सांगतलेच, बट इट वील बी इन द पब्लीक डोमेन. पयले सुवातेर कॅप्टन विराटो वील हॅव टू रिमेंबर दॅट फ्रॉम वेर ही केम अप. Being in the Navy was a different game. But after that, तो एक्टिविजमान भितर सरलो गोंयच्या मोगान, अशें तेजे तोंडांतल्यान जायते फावटी आयकलां. दॅट गोंया निसंतान जाता तें पळोवन तो एक्टिविजमान येयलो. इनफॅक्ट इन एक्टिविजम ही माइट हॅव नॉट बीन into activism for many long years. But he is one of the few activists, after having been into activism for a short period of time, there was a mercurial growth for him. Like, after doing activism, we found that he was very vocal, जायते गोंयचे इश्यू घेतालो, आनी मागीर तेका assembly contest करपाक he was very lucky that he was given a ticket by the Congress, which is a very difficult situation sometimes. Activists अशी ticket दिवप म्हणचे.
हय.
But due to unfortunate reasons, and as it has been observed, that his loss was very marginal. The reasons are many. The most likely reason was considered that a lot of votes got split and he lost that match. But now he's come for almost you can talk in politics. Being an MP is the finals. And in spite of having not won that seat in Daboli, the Congress High Command in Goa as well as in Delhi, and at the request of a lot of activists, they considered the demand of the people and by the people and for the people, and he was considered to be given the MP ticket as a candidate for South Goa. We all activists, at some time or other, we have interacted with him, so we knew that he is a full bhandar of knowledge. His vocabulary is good. Second thing, he will dissect a situation. And आमी चिंतले, being in activism and being an MP will be totally a different story. Because once you are an MP, your voice can be heard in the parliament. So आमकां जाय एक असो MP who could go in the parliament and raise the voices against the ills in our this मानकुलें गोंय. जायते फावटी आमी एक्टिविस्ट रस्त्याचेर आसतात, दीसभर सकाळी सांजे दनपारां, आणि we are not even sometimes being considered as the opinion of the activist is being dumped into the dustbin म्हणटा तशें. But yet, आमी म्हणले आमचे मदलो, we could recognize an activist among all these activists, आणि आमकां दिसले, who else better can be to take these issues to the parliament. असो म्हणून आमी एक सगळ्याचो एक मन जाले, आणि तेका आमी म्हणले सपोर्ट करून तेका निवडून हाडुया. आणि लिटरली सांगपाक म्हणल्यार मॅक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ एक्टिविस्ट वेर विथ कॅप्टन विर्यातो. The civil society was connected through the activists. The intelligentsia were connected with the activists and the common people of South Goa. आणि आम्ही सगळ्यांनी हांदाक हांद मारून पार्टी पळयनासतना और इंडिया अलायन्स म्हणून पळयनासतना और गोंयच्या पासत हो हेतू मनान घेवन ताका फुल बॅकअप केले आणि जायते भुरगे आमचे ग्राउंडार वावरले आणि ही फायनली गॉट इलेक्टेड अँड इट वॉज अ गिफ्ट फ्रॉम गॉड. देवान आमकां एक बरे एक्टिविस्टाचे ताका एक कन्वर्शन कशें धाडलें आमकां अँड एन एक्टिविस्ट हॅज कम आउट एज एन MP टुडे. आता टिल देन एव्हरीथिंग वॉज फायन, बट नाव वॉट? आता आमकां जाय एज एन एक्टिविस्ट that Captain Viryato cannot let us down. There could be two situations. One, you could be in the ruling at the center or you could be in the opposition. But whether you are in the ruling or opposition, we want you to get our, not maybe the most, the things which are not within your ambit, but the small and little issues concerning Goa with respect to water, land, air, corruption, all हे इश्यूआंचेर आमकां जाय तुवें एक आवाज उबारलेलो आनी तुजो आवाज आख्ख्या पार्लिमेंटान रिसावंड जावपाक जाय. And you cannot let down the activists tomorrow, because nobody will have faith in the future in transforming an activist into an MP or an MLA. कित्याक you will be like an example for tomorrow. आणि जायते एक्टिविस्ट जे आहात वावरतात आणि त्यांच्याय मनान आसता भावना गोंयच्या पासत. सो वी विल फॉलो द लीडर म्हणटा तशें. देर कुड बी मेनी मोर एक्टिविस्ट. Just the way activists have supported you, we expect you also to support the activists in the good cause, in the bigger glory of Goa.